I'm a molecular and computational microbiologist. What that means is I study bacteria and their DNA and try to work out why they do what they do. Bacteria have been here on Earth much longer than us and influence basically our everyday life. They're why you need to wash the dishes, why you should brush your teeth. They sort of even influence why our brain operates the way that it does. So out of the thousands of different kind of bacteria that exist, I work on one called Klebsiella. Now this is a hugely diverse group of bacteria with just a massive family tree, and it's found everywhere in plant, animals, the ocean. It's mostly harmless, but it causes deadly infections in people. So to study Klebsiella, we grow them up and then we bust their cells open and take their DNA and then run that on a DNA sequencer and basically turn that into a digital copy, which we can then analyze. It's sort of strange to think about that an entire organism's genetic potential is just sitting in a file on my computer somewhere. But I guess that's just the way of the world. So while Klebsiella lives everywhere, we don't really understand how this is related to its ability to cause disease. We think it might have something to do with the variety of DNA, which allows different populations of Klebsiella to survive in different environments. So to work this out, we construct models using the DNA to infer the nutrients that we think they might need for survival. Our current models have been pretty successful and predict nutrient usage across a bunch of Klebsiellas with greater than 90% accuracy. We've also found that different Klebsiella use different nutrients for energy dependent upon their family history, so we know it's inherited, and that's a really interesting thing to note. What's good about this approach is it might actually lead to the discovery of alternative antibiotics in the future. For example, if we know that a disease causing Klebsiella requires nutrient X, a drug could be designed which binds or reacts with nutrient X and takes it out of the equation. It's exciting to really think about all the ways this information can be harnessed in the future, and I'm really excited to be part of the process.